Let's discuss about Keycloak in this 2 minutes tutorial. Keycloak is an open-source identity and access management solution that provides a centralized platform for managing authentication and authorization for applications and services. It supports various authentication mechanisms such as username/password, OAuth, OpenID Connect, and SAML. Keycloak can be used to secure both web and mobile applications, and it can also be integrated with other services such as LAP and Active Directory. It allows administrators to define roles and permissions for users, and it also provides features such as user management, password policies, and multi-factor authentication. With Keycloak, developers can easily add security to their applications without having to write their own authentication and authorization code. What is OAuth in Keycloak? OAuth, Open Authorization, is an open standard for authorization that is commonly used to authenticate and authorize access to resources, such as APIs. In Keycloak, OAuth is used to authenticate and authorize users who are accessing protected resources. Keycloak can act as an OAuth 2.0 authorization server and can also support OAuth 2.0 client registration. When a user wants to access a protected resource, Keycloak will prompt the user to authenticate, if they are not already authenticated, and then authorize the user to access the resource. The user's authorization is based on their roles and permissions, which are defined by the administrator. OAuth protocol flow in Keycloak is as follows. 1. The client requests access to a resource from the resource owner. 2. The resource owner is prompted to authorize the client. 3. The client receives an authorization grant, such as an access token, from the authorization server. 4. The client uses the authorization grant to request access to the protected resource from the resource server. 5. The resource server grants access to the protected resource based on the authorization grant. It is important to note that OAuth is not an authentication protocol, it is an authorization protocol. It is used to authorize the client to access the user's resources, but it does not authenticate the user. How is Keycloak different from other solutions? Keycloak is a popular open-source solution for managing authentication and authorization, but there are other similar solutions available. Some of the key ways in which Keycloak differs from other solutions include: 1. Open source. Keycloak is open source software, which means that it is free to use and can be modified by anyone. 1. This can make it a cost-effective option for organizations. 2. Flexibility. Keycloak is highly configurable and can support a wide range of authentication and authorization mechanisms, including username/password, OAuth, OpenID Connect, and SAML. 2. This makes it suitable for a wide range of use cases. 3. User management. Keycloak provides a comprehensive user management system, which allows administrators to define roles and permissions for users, and also features like password policies and multi-factor authentication. 4. Integration. Keycloak can be integrated with other services, such as LAP and Active Directory, allowing organizations to use their existing user databases and authentication mechanisms. 5. User experience. Keycloak provides a customizable login page and user account management interface, which can be branded to match an organization's website. 6. Single sign-on, SSO. Keycloak support SSO, so that user can access multiple services with a single login. This increases the user experience and also security. 7. Scalability. Keycloak can be deployed in a clustered mode to handle a large number of users and requests. It's important to note that different solutions will have different strengths and weaknesses, and the best option will depend on the specific needs of an organization.